Hey guys, so I got a 2010 Ford Edge here with the Misfire. Here are the codes. So we got a cylinder 4, and we got a 316 and a 1260. Let's do a couple quick tests with the scan tool, and we'll pull it in and have a look. Just did a relative compression test, so I got 5%, 3%. So obviously the Misfire is not compression related, more than likely. So pull it in. Go have a look at cylinder 4 and cylinder 6. And there you go, my power balance. You can see number 4 is definitely misfiring quite a bit. So the odd time I'll get a little dropout on 6 and 3. When I bring up the RPM though, 4 kind of starts smoothing out just a little bit, but at idle, yeah, 4's misfiring like crazy. Okay.
Definitely gonna have to say that that's a bad coil. I had to tape it here because unfortunately the boot broke, so we got stuck in the cylinder. But I got no spark to spark. Let's close up that gap a little bit. Still nothing. I got maybe 2 sparks on that small gap, so that coil's no good.
There we go. We got original spark plugs, and you can see they're worn completely out. So, needs a coil, definitely needs some new plugs. I think that's even some carbon tracking or just rubber deposit. Just rubber deposit, so there we go. And as you can see, this is a highly maintained unit. A little dusty. So, there you go, it's all smoothed out. So, obviously the coil and plugs fixed all my issues. So it's just a little trick on Fords because they don't usually have a live misfire data. Just go to power balance and kind of see what the cylinders are doing. So this is kind of like the live misfire in a sense, seeing if which cylinders are contributing. And obviously sometimes it may throw you for a little loop, so you always got to double check, but something I've been using lately on the Fords. Alright, have a good day.